couple of weeks ago, probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago, for spring break, Mike and I decided to take a little trip with Matthew to Minnesota to the Mall of America. And in the Mall of America store is a build your own Birchbox at Walgreens. It is a flagship store, and that means that it is, I think, the original one, and it is awesome. I will start off by saying that I wish every Walgreens could have Birchbox in it, because it was a really cool experience and just a great way to pick up a couple of sample size items maybe that you've been wanting to try, or a cute little gift even for a little teenager, or a mom that's just had a baby, anything like that. It was just a really cool experience. So I am going to start off this video by showing you the shop with me from Birchbox, and then we will get in and show you what's in here. Before I do that, I do want to kind of just take a minute to say thank you for sticking with my channel over these next couple of weeks. It has been a little bit crazy. I do work in the grocery industry for a food distribution company, and so my hours have been insane. I'm pretty sure I put in around 40 hours or maybe a little bit more in 3 days last week. I don't think this week's gonna be as bad, but you never know what's gonna happen when people are mass buying and in a panic when it comes to groceries and food and essential items like that. So thank you for sticking around. If you're brand new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you'll consider hitting that subscribe button. All right, let's go get on with the shop with me from the Walgreens Birchbox at Mall of America. Alright, so I came into the Birchbox store at the mall, and she was telling me how it works in the Walgreens. You can pick your Birchbox, so you pick one of these, and then these tubes, you pick any 5 items for your $15, which is what the Birchbox price is. So I know I've had these before. I really like the Ico London eyeliner, and they have the Juliet has a gun back there, so I'm gonna build me a box because I didn't get Birchbox this week, and then you guys can see it on my channel later. So I know that I'm gonna get the Ico London because I really like this eyeliner, and I might even build it and give it to one of you guys. Just see. This is shampoo, dry shampoo. Got some Wonder Eye Cream, so we'll try that. And she said you also get a free gift, I think. Here's a power serum, an exfoliator, a sheet mask. Let's stick a sheet mask in there for somebody. This stuff smells really good. I like this. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Any questions so far?
Nope, I think I'm getting it. Perfect. This one is a Glow Squad Quad, so we'll get that too. So let's look what's in here. When you go into the store, you get to pick up the little box, just like if you ordered Birchbox from the online company, and it has the little tissue in here. I did pay $16 for this box, and I got 5 sample size items. I also did, because I spent I think $15 on makeup and skincare, then they gave me a little packet with a couple of other free samples. I do not know what I did with it, so I'm sorry, but it was I mean, I ended up getting probably 8 or 9 of sample size items from Birchbox for $16. All right, when I open it up, this is what my box looks like. And the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this Balance Me Natural Skincare Wonder Eye Cream. See if you guys can see it. It is 99% natural, and of course there's no card because I picked these items out myself, but it says gently tap and smooth our triple action eye cream around eyes to address dark shadows, firm skin, and reduce puffiness. Alright, the next thing I got was from Ico London. It is the Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. I love this eyeliner. I have gotten it in Birchbox and maybe even Target before. I can't remember what other one I got. Maybe just Birchbox. But I love this eyeliner. So I do know that it works really well. Then I got this by Love of Color. This is what the inside looks like. It doesn't have a mirror or anything, but it is a Glow Squad Quad, and it's paraben and cruelty free. Then I picked up my favorite, I think right now, one of my favorites, I'll say, of perfumes. It is the Juliet Has a Gun, not a perfume. That's what it says. And it's just, you know, it's a pretty good size little sample. So I got that. And then the last thing that I decided to get was the Acure Welcome to Skin Wellness Incredibly Clear Sheet Mask. It says it's BHA white willow and cucumber combo to oily skin. It's 100% vegan, 0% questionable. Paraben free, sulfate free, mineral oil free. So it's just a little sheet mask. I did pick up this box with the intention of giving it to you guys. It has a couple of new things that I haven't ever tried, but it also has a couple of things in here that I love, and I wanted you guys to be able to try them out for yourself. And why not give something away in a time when we're mostly quarantined to our house, some of us, unless you're like me in the food or grocery industry or an essential job. So we can send you out a little box of happy. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the Birchbox from Walgreens, the Build Your Own. If you want to be entered in win the Birchbox, just put Birchbox in the comment section of this video. Thanks again for sticking around. I hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe and like button on the way out, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight.